And then you're ready for the primary antibody incubation. So you would dilute your antibody in PBS or TBS buffer containing 0.2% tween. These are known as TBST or TBSD. You can look recipes for these up on the internet. We would recommend to incubate overnight at 4 degrees. 1 to 2 hours at room temperature does very often work, but usually the staining can be more specific if you incubate overnight at 4 degrees. The optimal concentration of the antibody will need to be determined. There will be some recommendations on manufacturer data sheets, but you may find that you need further optimization from there. And the aim is really of that optimization is really to contain the most contrast between the specific signal and any background staining that you have. And use of a positive and negative control can really help there. After this step, again, you'd wash the cells. Sometimes primary antibodies are already conjugated, in which case you won't need a secondary antibody. But if you do need to conjugate a secondary antibody, then this would be your next step. So the secondary antibody would probably be conjugated to a fluorochrome, and we have many of these available. There's many on the market now, and the most common, for example, are FITC, picoerythrin, PE, Texas Red, and there are many others as well. As with the primary antibody, we would recommend to dilute these in PBS or TBS containing tween, and perhaps a blocking agent if necessary. This incubation can be from 30 minutes to 1 hour, possibly longer. Again, this will need to be optimized, and it can be done at room temperature. So again, your dilution will also need to be optimized. After this step, again another wash.